Because my camera files were too heavy to work with, I made proxies to make my life simpler, and I made the whole edit on proxies. Eventually ended up realizing my proxies were not named exactly same as the raw files. They had a different file name, and now I'm unable to relink them to the original clips. The problem that happened with me, I mean, this is a solution for a lot of problems, but what happened with me particularly was underscore proxy was added as extension to the original clip name. For example, C001 underscore proxy. Now, the way I solved for this is I exported my timeline as an XML file. If you know, XML file is basically a text description of what your timeline is. I use this tool called Claude AI. Claude is similar to ChatGPT, but it's used more by coders. I do not come from a coding background. What I did, I wrote, can you make a HTML page? So this HTML, ignore the typos. This HTML page is like a web app. It's like a new software that you are making. Now you explain what does this software do. Can you make a HTML page that can read XML files and then find and remove underscore proxy? I'll show you how this web app looked. The web app looked like this. What you can do is, after I gave this prompt, it gave me this blah 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 text description of this web app. But the main thing we are going to use is this web app. What you can do is download it as HTML and open it in a new page. Now this new page is a software that does one thing, and that is the thing you told it to do: remove underscore proxy from all the file names. I load my XML into it. Instantly, it says 239 instances replacements were made. File size is 750 KB and you can download the clean XML. It's downloaded. Then import the XML back into Resolve, and you'll find all your clips are connected and you can continue with working on the color grade and the edit. I hope this gives you ideas to solve more problems for you. This was the exact problem I solved for myself, but I wish you all the best. Thank you.